video I'm gonna show you how to turn on show up in search results on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings. Now here you will find it. You will find show up in search results. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on, and that's how to turn on show up in search results on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.